Good morning, students. Hello, Petines. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, good, and safe at your homes. We're going to start the online class with our new chapter, that is Chapter 1, Nutrition in Plants. And I'm your science teacher, Suman Dhankar, starting this chapter. Our first topic is photosynthesis, and I'm going to show you the process of photosynthesis and the importance of photosynthesis within PPT. I'll give you a small introduction. Photosynthesis is taking place in the green plants, which is called autotrophs, and they are done with presence of sunlight, CO2 gas, and in the stomata, which contains chlorophyll, and through water and minerals through roots. Let's start the PPT with this chapter.
Chapter 1, Nutrition in Plants. Today we are going to start the topic photosynthesis. In this topic, we are going to study the process of photosynthesis. As it is shown in the systematic diagram that a plant are considered as autotrophs and they need sunlight, oxygen, carbon dioxide to prepare their food. As the photosynthesis term was given by Charles Reddin Barons in 1893. So let's begin with this topic. Plants make their own food with the process of photosynthesis as they are considered as autotrophs. The word photosynthesis is the process used by the plants to make their food. As we can see that in the figure, the sun gives the light energy and it changes into chemical energy by a plant to prepare its own food. And we all know photo means light and synthesis means putting together. So as we cook the food in our kitchen with all the nutrition requirements as fire, water, and vegetables, same with the plants do. Plants need sunlight to prepare their food, and with the sunlight, it's need water, nutrients, soil also. As they take the water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to prepare their food. As they change the sunlight into chemical energy and take the water from the soil, as they have xylem vessels through which they take the water from the roots, and through these xylem vessels the water will be taken upside to every part of the plant with a suction pull. As it is seen in the figure, that plant is transferred to every part of the plant, to the leaves also. It was same as the human are sucking the water from the glass. Now we can see that xylem process take place in the stem of the plant through this process, and it reaches to every part of the plant. Fruits, leaves, stems. It was same as our blood runs in our veins. As we need the transfer of blood in our body, same plants do. As we can see, every part of the plant get carbon dioxide to the atmosphere to the stomata of the leaf. From the backside of the leaf, stomata is present. They are the tiny pores present on the leaves. We can see the exchange of gases take places in the stomata as the intake of carbon dioxide and the exit of oxygen take places when the stomata is open. It takes place in the daytime when the stomata is open. Now leaves contain the chlorophyll also. The green part that's called mesophills contains chlorophyll part, and they contain chloroplast. That is the green pigment in the leaves that's prepare the food for the plant. They take carbon dioxide, they trap the sunlight inside it and the carbon dioxide particles together to prepare their food. So the reaction says carbon dioxide plus water give out oxygen as a byproduct and they prepare glucose also. Excess of glucose is stored in the form of starch in a plant. When the sunlight is not present, this glucose is utilized in the form of starch. When the sunlight is not there, they utilize the starch, extra starch, to prepare their food. In the night time also, they use the stored starch to prepare their food. As in some starch was stored in the roots too, so that they can prepare their food and can transfer the water to every part of the plant. In this way, a healthy plant prepares its own food through the process of photosynthesis. As the transpiration takes place in the stomata, same respiration will take place in the humans too. They respirate through the nostrils and they give the carbon dioxide to the plants to prepare their food. With taking the sunlight also and trapping it, it's helped them to prepare the process of photosynthesis. It itself has two meanings, photo plus synthesis. That's clear with this systematic diagram also. Photosynthesis literally means combining water and carbon dioxide in the presence of light. As the essential factors of photosynthesis are sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and in the aquatic plants, the photosynthesis takes place too. But the sunlight was entrapped by the water and very less sunlight able to reach to these aquatic plants. Still, they can prepare their food with the less sunlight and with the chlorophyll pigment they prepare their own food. That's in this way the photosynthesis take places in aquatic and terrestrial plants. Let's discuss the importance of photosynthesis. Plants and other photosynthetic organisms form the base of nearly all food chain. During photosynthesis, plants store light energy as chemical energy. Some animals use the chemical energy when they eat plants. Other animals get energy from plants indirectly. So directly and indirectly, plants are important to survive and animals also are able to survive. Without the process of photosynthesis, it is not possible to maintain the balance in the nature. This is our topic that I have discussed, the synthesis of photosynthesis process. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.